requirements are here. I want to display first image, second image, third. 3 images I want to display. How to display that images here? And the second thing, second link I want to implement. I want to click on sports information. Present I'm not implemented anything. That's why which symbol came? Hash symbol. Because in that reference, what it is there? Hash is there. That's why hash symbol came. Once you implement, give the URL. Sir, what it is movies? Is it one URL or not? Yes. So whenever I'm clicking on that, this URL pattern will be executed. The page is coming. Now, implement the second function. Observe. So whatever is available, second one, def, what it is? Sports underscore view. Inside you have to give a request. Now, story, same. Copy, paste. Instead of movies, sports. Making function URL HTTP. So now, tell any 2-3 sports news. Yesterday, IPL was started. Yesterday match, Sunday. Sunday, the match will be Australian. Oh, RCB, sorry, RCB and Chennai, Mumbai Indians. Okay, done. Today's Lucknow match. He knowledge very good, everyone. Good knowledge. If I ask Python question, no response. Sir, yesterday who won the match? Gujarat. Gujarat won yesterday match. Sir, now see, any changes are required here? Head message, sub message 1, sub message 2, sub message. Same. Sir, in this function, any explanation is required? Not required. Same yesterday function only. I created a function. 1, 2, 3, 4 columns I am given, creating dictionary. Sir, what to do next? Can I return this one? Yes, return it. Completed. What to do means, what we have to do? Next, what to do? Once view is there, you have to create a URL. Go to URLs. Copy, paste. Give sports. Here, sports view. Sir, I'm giving movies info now. Just changing name. Yes. Sir, once I declared URL, what to do next? Give this one into where? Here. What I'm given there? Sports. Completed. Check that first server. Something goes wrong, sir. Sir, see that, sir, if any error is there, definitely in the server console it should be displayed where it is Gujarat won yesterday's match. Yes. What is the problem? Yes. I did mistake. To refresh, first click on movies, perfect. Click on sports, perfect. Movies, go back, sports, yes, yes. Now what to do? Third, address. Sir, simple you have to copy, paste. Now, politics view, politics information. Tell 1, 2, 3. PSPK. Okay. India Prime Minister was Modi ji. Next. Sir, next anyone? Politics and narration. Politics information something. Someone is sending something. April budget was released. Okay. April budget was released. Next. Telangana CM. My sir. Mo. Sorry. Okay, done. Nirmala Sitharaman, our finance minister. Very good. Sir, now completed. Check it. Save this. Now you have to go to the URLs, copy, paste. What I want to give? Politics views dot politics view. Completed. Go to index.html. Sir, simply you have to give politics. Up to here, I'm not doing anything. Everything simple. Yes, it is restarted again. Go to this, refresh. First, movies. Yes. Second one, sports. Yes. Third one, politics. Okay. Now, my question is, what is missing here? Images, every page. How to set that images to every page? That is only the bigger doubt. How to set that? Every page, 3 images I can require. But here, yesterday someone is telling, sir, take the 3 HTML pages, means but not displayed. Okay. So everyone telling 3 pages. Here, how many pages are there? Only single HTML page. Every time content I am changing. Same logic you can follow. No need to take the 3 HTML pages. But every page, how images will be changes? PI. He is using already. It's not coming now. Sir, what I was doing is, see, I will use simple logic. First of all, take some images. This PC, D drive, offline projects, Mahesh news project, static, images, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. Each one 333 I can upload. Okay, copy. Come to our current project, D drive, 17th March 11 AM, Mahesh news project, static, images, paste it. Came? Yes, all 9 images are available in our current working directory here. Check it. Mahesh news project, static, images. We're going to all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 images are provided there. Fine. Sir, now please tell, images will come into the where? Here, index.html or not? Yes, because here I can provided movies information, everything I can provided there. Here, yes. How to insert the image? Okay, that is, you know, already IMG SRC. Source I want to provide it as how to give curling brace inside percentage. First one static, next one images, comma, 1.jpg. Ante first image I am uploading. Okay. Observe the problem. You see the problem. What is the problem? 2, 3. Which one? What is the problem? Observe carefully. Yes, server started. Come to here. Refresh. Where it is coming? If I click on movies information, what is I'm asking? If you click on movies information in that, but whenever click on movie, page is same page or not? Same page only it is coming. How to send this one? Same page only. If multiple pages are there, you can redirect. I have only one page, index.html only. If 2, 3 pages are there, I will redirect. Here only one page is there. Yes, sir, no. If suppose I have 3 HTML pages are there, one is movies.html, one is sports, one is politics, then I redirect page by page, page by page. But I have only one HTML page is there. Whatever you want to do, you can do that HTML page only. Every time content. See here, whenever clicking on movies information, how it is changing? Same page is it changing, not changing? Now observe carefully. What I was doing is, in the views, sir, go to the views. Sir, whatever you want to do only function only. Based on function, program executed. So whatever you want to do, logics, views only. Sir, in this one, I want to provide it. 1, 2, 3, 4 here. Movies kada. Okay. I have to declare as a variable. What is the variable? Type. Which type it is? A movies. So how I'm declaring previous lines 9, 10, 11, same thing. Sir, now what to do? Can I add to the dictionary or not? Yes. Comma, single quotes, type, colon, what it is? Type, added. Okay. Same. You can give type equal to what I want to, what it is? Sports, comma, type, colon, type. Next, here, type equal to politics. Now, comma, type, colon, type. Completed. So now, another one extra variable I am coming, type. Whatever type is there, movies, or is it a sports, or it is a politics. Come to your index.html. Before it is directly blindly printing in the home page or not? Don't print it. Give a condition. Sir, here every condition should be just like code should be look like Python only. If, elif, for loop, everything. But same loops you can write into the Jinja code. Jinja tag means completed with curling braces. In curling braces, what it is? First %. Please tell if condition in the Python. I want to check. If type variable is there na? Yes, type equal to yes, movies. So just like Python code only, but not complete Python. Observe here. What is the meaning of this one curling brace Jinja code? What is type? The variable coming from dictionary that it is checking. Babu, if it is a movies, now save. Where we have to? Yeah, 2 HTML pages means one is news to send the data for that purpose. Sir, where I am providing here kada? Yes. Sir, remove this nonsense. Cut it. Because it is the home page. Don't give home page, sorry. In the news, because the content should be displayed in this page or not? Yes. Here, give this one. If type equal to movies, then automatically it should be displayed or not? Yes. Now save this. Sir, once it is completed the loop, compulsory you have to close. What it is? Percentage and if. Now check the server. Yes, restarted. First go to the IP address, refresh. Home page. Once I click on movies, I'm getting images or not? Yes. But second, third, what to do? Give conditions. Elif, elif, elif. Enough. Come to here. Sir, don't give end if here. Inside. What to do again? Curling brace. Percentage, percentage. What is the condition? Elif, sir, type equal to what it is? Sports. If it is a sports. 4, 5, 6. Next. Again copy. Paste. Type equal to politics. 4, 5, 6 kada. 7, 8. Completed code. Check it. Okay. Now, first go to this one. This is the home page. Click on movies. Yes, perfect. Click on sports. Came. Yes, same one news.html. I forwarded all dynamic content, politics information. First page is only index. Sir, in this index, you have to provide starting page. Mahesh News Portal, links, one image, enough. Everything you have to do modifications here. Here you have to send the dynamic content. This is the way how to send the dynamic content. Already we know. Only thing is now I am providing only if statements. If type equal to so and so, display these 3 images. If type equal to so and so, where is the type? In the functions I'm given type equal to sports, type equal to movies. That one I'm sending into the dictionary. Now concept completed. This is the way how to create a small application. Sir, everyone clear online? This code we can require now. I will copy paste this PC desktop advanced Python. No. DJango. Yes, clear. Sir, in place of yellow background, can we insert an image as a background? Yes, possible. Everything is possible. Possible. You can take background URL. Then it is applicable. Anything possible, Guru. If you want, I will show in next examples. Sir, what it is? Yesterday, implementing working with static files, HTML validations. Yesterday we started with static files, including yes, yesterday created views, URLs, how to include CSS files, news portal. Sir, index.html, no changes. The only changes is you have to give sports and you have to give politics. After that, demo, fine. News.html. Here code will be changes. Now I will copy paste the today code. Remove. Come to news.html. This one. This is the code. Copy. News.html. This is the main code. First documentation type, image, news portal, messages, after that images. Views.py. Views.py, small changes I did today. 3 functions I can declare. Views.py. First, movies, sports, politics. Copy. Go to here. Paste it. Finally, URLs. Yesterday 1 URL is there. Today 3 URLs I created. Copy. There is the story. Any explanation is required here? Not required. Sorry, you have to practice it. How many of you practicing? I don't know. Sir, if any doubts are there, if possible, if you are nearby here, you can come to the lab. Okay, today I will come to the lab 4 o'clock. I'm available there 4 to 5. Okay, if anyone having doubts are there, you come to the Reliance building. When we click on URLs, how to open other page, give target new page. Sure, Arun. That is also possible. Present only one page to another page I given targeted na observe. In this example, next upcoming I will show that one. Present, see here, index.html is there. Whenever movies information available main page, whenever I am clicking on this one, how it is going to targeted page? He is asking that one. Whenever I am in main page, whenever I'm clicking, is it going to another page or not? How it is going? Because of I am given URL. First, it will goes to this URL. Okay, it is going to URL. Sir, movies.url is available, not available? Available. Once URL is there, which will execute, sir? Views.movie. So it will goes to views, movie view. What is movie view? What it is rendering? testapp.news.html. Like that, it is redirecting the page. Where is the lab? In Reliance building, Hyderabad. Sir, like that, it is coming to the targeted pages. So that is the third chapter is completed. Templates and static files. Fourth chapter. Working with models and databases. Models and databases. So how to open link in new window? Once you click on that, you want to open new window. New tab or new window? New tab. We will check it because generally any application, whenever I'm clicking on, see, observe, any website you need to take. Whenever I open the site, okay, it is available. Whenever I'm clicking on home, it is coming to the same page and different pages we can provide it there. Is it coming new tab? Same tab every time. Pages address we have to give. But whatever you're asking, new tab, okay, I will tell. Okay, sir. Now, what I was doing is working with models and databases. Sir, starting, we have to discuss in the first class. What I was telling you, DJango provided MVT architecture. M is nothing but model. Views already we completed. Template also we completed. Now, we need to discuss about model. What is the meaning of the model? As part of any web application, we have to store data permanently into the database. Whenever I can require, I can access from the database and provide it to the end user. Then models are required. Model is nothing but a databases. Generally, in my regular classes, Python classes, two databases I explain my students, Oracle and MySQL. So how to provide connections, I will tell it. If you know minimum basic Oracle commands, SQL commands, in my regular Python class I explained. But here queries and all these are not required. Only Python knowledge is enough. Because I know how to create the class. Suppose student class I have to create it. Generally, student means what is required? Student number, student name, student address, student mobile, like that. So for this explanation is not required because you know Python, class student, 4 variables. Now this class I need to convert it to corresponding database query. DJango will provide that type of facility. You no need to write any SQL command. Just you have to create what you have to create. Class, Python class only. That class can be converted to corresponding SQL query and it will be injected to the database. Sir, by default, whenever you can create any project, once you started server, default one database should be available there. Yes. Where is our project? My news channel. By default, SQLite 3 is available there. If you want to configure Oracle MySQL, both I will tell how to connect it and how to provide it. I create a database and everything. By default, check it in settings.py. Somewhere else, database. Default database, what it is available? SQLite 3 is available there. If you want to configure with MySQL, remove that one. You can add your MySQL configurations. If you want to Oracle, just you have to change settings only. You won't do anything. Remaining process, I will tell how to do that process. Now, so notes is required now. Yes, sir. Sir, by default, what is available? It is available there. Copy, paste. If it is a small scale application, simple application, then you can manage with SQLite 3. For example, sir, I want to configure with MySQL database connection with MySQL. How to provide it, I will show. So now, first one, copy, paste. Here, default engine DJango.db.backends, remove SQLite 3. What I want to give? MySQL. After that, here, name. So what is the meaning of this one? Base DAR, current project. Inside DB SQLite. That is the built-in configuration. Remove this. Now I want to give MySQL. Sir, MySQL means first in the MySQL database, you have to create a database. And some physical space you need to create into the database. For example, see. Sir, compulsory in your system, MySQL should be available. Then only it will work out. MySQL and Oracle. MySQL. Idena. One second. Yes, sir, I have MySQL is there. Root is the password. Now show databases. These are all the database. You want 11 o'clock batch, I created separate database. My previous batches, 10 o'clock batch. After that, something seed 10 a.m., 11 a.m. student DB. Something database is there. So first you have to create your. Please tell the website to download, sir. You can Google it too. Sir, now how to create database? I will show. Present assume. Which database I am using? Student. That you have to mention. And which database you want to store the data? Student DB. How to create database? I will tell. After that, sir, who are the user? The user is always in MySQL. What it is? Root. Next one is password. Password is also root only in the MySQL by default. Next one is I want to go with what it is? Host. Host means local host. Present in the local host port number. Previously we discussed. In our Django server running on 8000 by default port number. MySQL will running on the host is first you have to give local host. Fine. So if you are running any another site address, you can give IP address. Finally, we have to give port number. What is the by default port number? 3306. Simple. You want to do anything, sir, copy this, go to here, in this place, you need to paste it. Then how to write program, I will show. Then whenever you are entering student table, everything, it will be stored into where? Student. You need to go to MySQL. Here you can open student database. You can check it. Data should be available into the database. Can we use multiple database? Yeah. Your wish, but data should be stored into only one database. Whatever you are configuring, that database only it will be stored. At a time, all no. Sir, this is the MySQL. Sir, whether it is correct or wrong, I will show that one also. Once you given connections, it is not correct. You have to check it while writing the program. First, I am telling just connections with what it is. Oracle, sir. Sir, what is changes required? Remove this Oracle. Here, sir, this database I am created in MySQL, but Oracle by default there is one database. Is there what it is? ORCL built-in database. Username ఏంటి అక్కడ? Scott. Sorry, system manager Scott Tiger. Both anything you can use. Scott Tiger. ఇది local host. Port number 1521. Completed. These configurations you need to change. Then your databases are okay. Now observe. Simple example I will tell. These connections are correct or not correct. How to check it? Sir, here you don't do modification. This is the another project. Save. Close all this. Close, 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 close. Done. Now, what I was doing is stop the server. CLS cd dot CLS. Sir, now first you have to create a simple project, model based project. Inside 3 connections. All the connections are established successfully or not. I have to check. First one is DJango -admin start project model project. Now cd model project. Next py manage.py start app test app. Perfect. Go to the atom. Model model project created. Now inside model project open setting. Sir, by default you want to do anything. Which database is available? SQLite 3 available there. So now here you no need to change anything here. First, asal database connectivities are properly available, not available. How to check it means this is the command prompt. I'm not doing any changes. First I'm checking if I run the program, my data should be stored into the SQLite 3 database or not. I am checking. Sir, anyone tell from the command prompt to I want to go to the Python shell. How to go to Python shell? Shell py manage.py. Manage.py is a one Python file or not? After that, if I am given anything, those are what we can call command line arguments, because through command prompt, if I am passing anything, that is command line argument. You need to pass what we need to pass. Shell. Open it. Python shell came. Yes. Inside shell, you have to give first one. So these things already you know what it is. From keyword. Next, DJango dot DB database. Import connection. So that line everybody knows about that. From is the keyword, DJango DB is the module, import connection is a yes. Now what I was doing is C equal to connection dot what it is a cursor object you can create. So these things in database connectivities, you know, cursor object, connection object, all these things. Whenever I am clicking on enter button, if you are not getting any error, database configuration should be successful. And am I getting any error? No. So connections will be established fine. Now I want to do change. Now observe. So how to connect it to the MySQL? Okay. Copy this. Go to database. Paste here. Now, which is a connected? MySQL, student DB, root, localhost, everything. Now, exit. Sir, what to do now? Py manage.py shell not run server. Shell is opened. After that, what is the next one? From DJango.db import connection. C equal to connection dot cursor object. Am I getting any error? No. Ante connection established. You have to write program, save data. That data should be stored into where? In your student DB. Now use that is I will show student DB. Whenever you can go to show tables, like these tables will be available there. And in the previous project program, that's why. Now I will create a table and insert it through DJango. The data should be available into here. Previously I created, that is test app underscore student. So how to see the data? Select star from test app underscore student. This is the previous batch program. I entered 50 student details. That's why displaying like this. Okay. I will show this one for you, how to insert those things. Sir, connection is established successfully. Now, if it is a Oracle, what to do? Copy, come to here. Sir, you can try it. You will get so many errors. In my machine, everything is there. That's why I'm not getting errors. Your machine, it is not easy to run. Definitely will get so many errors. Exit, CLS. Now, sir, py manage.py shell from DJango.db import. Now check it. I will get error. Connection. C equal to connection dot cursor. Am I getting? Sorry. Spelling mistake. CURSR. So spelling mistake. Enter. Am I getting error or not? Yes, read the error. You will get the solution. What they are telling? Oracle 19 or later version required. But now in my machine. That is the problem. So if you want to connection me, just you have to do connection. I can update my database. Then connection will be established. So in your machine also, whenever you are doing something MySQL, if you are getting this type of error, read the last line. Then you will get the solution. So my system problem is 12 is there. What is the version? 12. That is the problem. Nothing means simple. Just it is I am installed for my regular classes purpose. I installed Oracle MySQL. If I want to connection, you want to write the program means I have to update it to 19 version. Then I will execute it. That this is the way how to provide connections. This is the changes. By default, you can use this. If you want to change MySQL, use these things. If you want to go with Oracle, use these connections. This is the way, sir. I want to give some notes. Sir, what to do? Given connections, kada? How to check DJango database connection. So how I'm checking steps just now we are using now. We can check whether the DJango database configurations are properly configured or not by using following command from the shell. So first what I was using First I'm using this is the command. To open the shell, this is the command. Once it is opened the shell, you want to go with which command I'm using? These two. Copy, paste. That is the way to check the connections. First to open the shell, inside from DJango.dp import connection, you can create object for the cursor object. If we are not getting any error, means our database configurations are proper. Okay. So now see simple example I will tell. Sir, Oracle, no chance. Close the Oracle database. MySQL. Okay. First of all, see. Show databases. I don't want to use existing database. I have to create our own database. Sir, how to create database? Create, not table, database. Table I'm creating through Python program. Just to create a space database. What is name we can give? DJango 11 AM, DJango 10 AM. Database name. Database name I'm asking. Any name, some name. Sunny, Sare. Mahesh. Sare. Kalsachin name. Sunny DB. Now you can check it, sir. Show databases. Sunny DB available. So I am connecting to Sunny DB 17th March. Okay. Now observe carefully. Sir, already I created project, everything. So you have to give connection. Which connection? MySQL. Okay. You could change it. What is DB? Sunny DB. Completed. Sir, once it is okay, next concept is I have to create a model class. Have you observed here? Whenever I am creating project, see the architecture. In the test app, what is available? Models. Here you have to create your models class. In the views, how I am creating same open models class. DJango DB import model. What they are telling? Create your model. Model is nothing but a database. So how to create that one? You can please tell how to create a class. Class is the keyword. I am writing Python code only, check it. I have to declare one employee class. What is the meaning of parenthesis? Models, sir, models dot model. What is the meaning of line number 4? Line number 4 meaning. Any idea? Classes. Sir, line number 4, please tell. Class is the keyword. Employee is class name. Within parenthesis, if I am given like this, what is the meaning? Classes, we can pass arguments. Inheritance. Variable, sir. Sir, what is the meaning of this one? Class. Sir, class A of B ante entity variable argument. B is the parent, A is the child. Inheritance. When Python completed, and class does not contain arguments, those things. Okay, na? Okay, observe here. So observe carefully. Employee is my class. It is a child class. Remember, models is a module. Model is a class. So how to define that one? If all letters are there, then do you know at the time of zipping, unzipping, zip file is there, na? Zip file. What is the zip file? Module. What is the class? Zip file is a class. Both are same only, but what is the difference? First one, all are small letters or not? That is module. Whenever you're doing zipping, unzipping in the file handling, I'm asking na, I am import. What am import? Zip file. I am creating object to which class? Zip file. This is the class. Parenthesis means object creation. Give any reference variable. So it is a module. It is a class. Class with parenthesis means object creation or not? Yes. Same. What I was doing is here. Remember, models is a module. This model is a class. This is my class. I am inherited models of the model class. That is the meaning. This is the parent. This is the child. So now I have different variables I want to take. Employee number, employee name, employee salary, employee phone number, married, unmarried, kids name, not required. Just 2-3 columns. Employee number, employee name, employee salary, address. Sir, observe. How to declare this one means, observe carefully. Sir, what is the module name? Models dot. Please tell, employee number means generally what is the type? Variable content data type or not? Number means general integer. Name means string. Salary means float. Like that data type. Because, sir, in the database also, data types are there or not there? Varchar any, varchar 2. Okay, types are there. Same. You're going to models dot. The type is going just 1 or 2 letters you can type. Which field? Integer field. Enough. So, sir, observe what is the meaning. I declared a variable. I am taken this the module name. Which type of field? Integer field. Now tell. Next, models dot. Which field? Character field. Character field means, sir, how many characters can I give? Maximum length. And what is the highest length? 30. That is your wish. Anything 10 or 20 or 30, your wish. So next, salary. Models dot. So generally salary means float field. Address. Models dot character field. Enough. Once you give character field, compulsory you have to give max length. Completed your class. Sir, in this class, any doubt is there? No doubt, it is a Python code only. I have created a normal class. So that is I am telling. You have to create what you have to create? Model class. So within the models, this is class. Employee is my class name. Models is the module. Model is a parent class. Now, one number field I am declared integer. Name I am declaring as a character field. Salary as a float field. Employee address is a character field. So now, these are all the fields I can declare there. So this is the observe. These are all the columns into the database fields. Okay. These are all the their behaviors. And what type of variable. So left side part are called as a, in the database, we need to call it as a fields. These are nothing but their behaviors. Integer field, which field, those things. Fine. So now class is ready. But if you go to database, which language we can use any database? SQL. You need to go Oracle, MySQL, or SQL Server, anything. One common language is what it is? SQL, structured query language. Who is introduced SQL? IBM. SQL is given by the IBM. Based on that, Oracle have their own database. SQL Server have their own database. MySQL have their own database. But every database common language is SQL only. But my database understandable language SQL, I am written as a, which I am written? Which code it is? A Python code. But how Python code injected to the database? No chance. What we have to do is observe. So this is the class, Python class. Because what is the file name? Models.py or not? File name means, is it a module or not? Yes, it is a one module. Inside I have, what is there? Class employee. Something code is there. Okay, fine. Now I want to inject it to something to my, what it is? ఇది వచ్చేసరికి database. Now I want to inject a database means, sir, database can understand only SQL language only. What I was doing is, this class employee, first I have to convert it to corresponding SQL query. Once you converted, this only you can inject to your database. Otherwise, the class not able to understandable by the database. So do you know regular classes in our databases, advanced Python database connectivity? I have Python program is there, database is there. Middle there are some drivers are there. CX underscore Oracle, PY MySQL, MS SQL, those are all the drivers, because one translator is required between Python calls to the database. Sir, for example, I know only Telugu. You are not able to understand Telugu, but I know only Telugu. I am taking class in Telugu. Between you and me, one translator is there. Sir, whenever Rahul Gandhi came to here Hyderabad in the meetings, Rahul Gandhi don't know Telugu. He speaks in Hindi only. One person will be standing there, Bhatti Vikramarka. He is telling in English, Rahul Gandhi. He is converted into the he is converted to Telugu or not? Yes, because one translator is required. Same Python calls to database, one translator is required. Here also, the models.py, first you have to convert to which one? SQL query. This SQL query you can inject. Here, two commands are there. First one, observe sir, very important. First command is what it is? Make migrations. Make migrations, what happened is there, your class converted to SQL query. Once SQL query is there, I want to inject it to the database. Then I need to go for migrate. Interview main important question is, what is the difference between make migrations and migrate? What is the difference? What is the difference? Make migrations, what is doing here? Our class converted to corresponding SQL query. It won't do anything. Once it is converted, I want to execute this query into database or not. For that, which command I am using? Migrate. So definitely questions are, what is the difference between make migrations and migrate? Now, convert. Okay. Sir, now check it carefully. It is available there. Come to the command prompt. This is Oracle. Sorry. Exit. Model project came. Sir, connections are correct or not correct? Manage.py shell. Now, from DJango.db import connection. Now, C equal to connection dot cursor. Perfect. Go to here. Exit. Sir, what is the command we have to use? Py manage.py. First command, make migrations. What is the meaning of migration? Means my model class can be converted to the corresponding SQL query. Enter. What they are telling? No changes detected. Observe here. Model project. Migrations. $310. Sir, where I am running? Model project. No changes detected. Sir, because I want to show that query to you. Py manage.py SQL migrate test app 0001. No. But I did a mistake. Test app. Save this. Now come to here. Yeah, I did mistake. Make migrations. Created or not? Because test app is not able to understand. I'm not added settings.py. That I did mistake. So now check it. In test app, migrations, one will be created. Check it. In migrations, expand is going to table is there. 001 query. How to see this query? Now check it. Check the query. Observe. Is it a SQL query or not? We're going to create SQL command. Table. What is the table name? Test app underscore employee. Because my app name is test app. Employees I am given. Sir, I am given. See, by default one field generated. What it is? ID. It is auto generated, not null. What it contains? Sir, this is the SQL terminology. All these are okay. Integer employee number. Which field? Not null. Employee name. Varchar. Not null. Employee salary. Not null. Double. E-address. Varchar. Am I mention anything in my Python class? No. I declared only normal Python class. Whatever terminology I know, I declared. Employee number, name, salary, address, models, integer field like that. But how it is converted to the SQL query? Because of this command. What is the command? Make migrations. Now, sir, go to your database. What is your database? SunnyDB. Use SunnyDB. Can I ask show tables? Yes. Is it display table or not? No. 0, empty. Why? So just know what I'm telling. Don't confuse you. Class is there. The class converted to SQL query. Am I executed SQL query? No. You have to migrate that query into the database because I did only one action only. Table is not created. Yes, table not created because the problem is I have a class is there models.py. I have inside module a class is there employee class. This class simple I can converted to what I'm converted? Just SQL query I converted. I'm not executed. How to converted this SQL query? By using make migrations. So just a converted to SQL query only, but still database empty. No, because of I'm not executed query. Query is ready. Now I want to inject this query to the database with the help of migrate command. That is the happening there. Now check it carefully. Come to here. Sorry. Remove. Migrate. Sir, check it. All the tables will be created. Sir, along with my table, some built-in tables will be created to awareness of the DJango. What it is, slowly, one by one, you will get it. Authentication table, session management table, like that. Okay. So now table is created, not created. Go to your database. Now you can ask show tables. What is the table? Test app underscore employee. Create a table. Created. This is the way how we need to create the table. So first to provide database settings. After that, check the connections. Create the model class. What is the class? This is the model class. This class, Python class. Once he created the Python class, what do we have to migrate? How to migrate? By using this command. Make migrations. Once if Migration. I want to see the query. Which query? What is the command? And this is the command. Once it is there, how to execute that into database? How can I inject it? By using migrate. That is the story. First create model class. After that make migrations. After that to see the query, that is the command. Next we need to go with migrations. Sir, clear everyone now? That you need to create one super user py observe manage.py create super user. Sir, I will tell this story just to see what is I'm doing. Super user, leave blank to use Mahesh. Yes, Mahesh, password email abc@gmail.com, any address, password Mahesh123, Mahesh123. Yes, do you want to create? Yes, I created a super user because I want to open here. Sir, in my program, any URLs are there? Nothing, but by default, one is there. What it is? Run server. Server started. Sir, in urls.py, by default, one URL is there. What it is? Anyone please tell? Admin. Available, not available? Yes. To log into the admin, I created a super user. Paste admin. Mahesh. Log into admin. Now check it. Sir, here any table is there? But I created table now. Student table created now. When it is available means a small setting is there here. There is one more is there, sir. What it is? Admin.py. What they are telling? Register your model here. Whatever model you created, you have to register. Sir, what is your model name? Employee. It is available in where? Models.py. But I want to use into another module. What to do? From models is available where? Test app. Test app dot. Sorry. Models. Import. Which one? Employee. How to register to the model means admin. Admin dot. Sorry. Admin dot site dot register. What I want to register? Employee. Now go to your browser, refresh. Yeah, table came. Yes. If you want to add record, see manually I'm adding here. Database, employee number 101, employee name Sunny, employee salary 12,000, employee address Mumbai. Save. Data will be saved or not? Now, sir, where I'm doing this one by using Django server, I'm adding on a go to there. Here, the data inserted, not inserted. How to select star from what is your table name? Test app underscore. Check it. 101 Sunny 12,000 Mumbai. Where I inserted? From the Django I inserted. Database is separate concept. Django is separate. Am I inserted data or not? Yes. Now go to your website server. Add another employee. 102. Bunny. Salary 13,000. Employee address. Hyderabad. Save second address. So this process I will tell. I will give complete notes. Okay, na? Just to see the process. Employee salary 15,000. Employee address. Save. Come to database. Select star from employee. Wow. All the table came or not? This is the process. But what to do means next level. I'm not entering manually. What is required? Suppose, sir, if you want to insert any data, am I inserting to admin panel like that? Suppose I want to add the patient details. Some patient came to my hospital. Okay. Where I'm entering registration. In the page, am I inserting data and click on save button or not? Then data will be saved. Now, everyone going to admin panel and inserting? No. So this concept will come slowly. What it is? Template. So create template. Give one form. Insert the data. The data should be stored into backend. Tomorrow, I want to see the patient details. Yes. Search registration. Enter some patient number. Displayed or not? These things I will show slowly one by one, one by one. Then that is a project only, simple project. So that is the database, basic idea of the model. I will give some complete notes. This is the way how to create the database. And are you getting it? Just like Tamil cinema. Yes, sir. Tamil cinema, na? You are Tamil Urdu cinema. That practice it slowly, you will get it one by one. But today what I will give is only I will give these three things, and just you have to check the connection, create model class, run these three, enough. Remaining you won't do that, creating super user, all this. Malayalam movie and very good. So just you have to do up to here only. Remaining that create user, those things later and I will tell that story. For online students, any doubts are there? No doubts? No. So that is the today basic concept. Monday I will tell about this remaining story, these models not completed. Today's class is very tough. It's very easy. When compared with all classes, today class is very easy. Amit. Asal DJango is very easy. It is a nursery level course here, DJango. Anyone can understand. Whenever you know Python very well, DJango is very simple.